Hello everyone and welcome to Coinmarketcap Global YouTube channel. Today I'll show you guys how to get free airdrops on Coinmarketcap. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. So let's just jump on to our video. Well, first you need to have a Coinmarketcap account, and we already have a tutorial video for you guys how to create your Coinmarketcap account, and we'll be giving the links in the description box below so you can create your Coinmarketcap account. And after you create your Coinmarketcap account, as you see under products, under campaigns, it says airdrops. We have to click on this. And as you see, there are different projects and different airdrops that we can join for free. And in this video, for example, I will join Hashland Coins airdrop, but you can join any airdrop you see here. There's no limit. You can join all of them. So let's click on Hashland Coin. And as you see in this segment, it says join this airdrop. We have to click on this. We need to fulfill this requirements if you want to join this airdrop. So we added Hashland Coin to our watch list. Let's start to fulfill this requirements, and let's start by following the Coinmarketcap's Twitter account. We click on follow Coinmarketcap and we click on follow, and as you see, we're following Coinmarketcap's Twitter account. We should follow Hashland NFT's Twitter account, and as you see, we're following Hashland NFT's Twitter account. We should follow Coinmarketcap's Facebook account, and as you see, we're following. We should subscribe to Hashland official YouTube account, and we're subscribed. We should join CoinMarketCap announcements and Hashland NFT Telegram channels just by clicking these links. You don't have to do anything. You just click on these links and it directs you to necessary website, and you just click on follow or tweet or subscribe. So as you see, we've both joined on CoinMarketCap's announcements Telegram and Hashland community Telegram channels. After completing all these steps, we should enter our BNB Smart Chain wallet address, our Twitter handle, our Facebook handle, and our Telegram handle. So we've filled all the blanks as you see, and after filling these blanks, we should agree with these policies. As you see, it says I have reviewed these cybersecurity and best practices and will take the necessary precautions to safeguard myself against malicious actors. I will contact the airdrop partner directly if I have any queries about the results or distribution. CoinMarketCap doesn't have any responsibility on these airdrops, and if you want to join these airdrops, you should read all of this and agree with it. And after completing all the steps, we should click on join airdrop. And as you see, after you join this airdrop, it says you've already participated in this airdrop. Come back after 11 March to see if you want. And as I said, we can join any airdrop just like this, and there's no limit. We can join all of them if we want. And under the participated segment, we can see all the airdrops that we've joined, and it says the final results. As it says ended, awaiting results, ended, awaiting results, and so on. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. Today we've talked about how to get free airdrops on CoinMarketCap. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.